With allergy season kicking my butt, I like to bring in the spicy Gochujang Rigatoni to help clear out my stuffy nose. Here's how quick and easy it is to toss together. To start this off, let's brown and crumble about 1 pound of hot Italian chicken sausage on medium-high heat. Once the sausage is nicely browned and crumbled, set it aside. I'm adding a spritz more of avocado oil with the heat turned down to medium-low here. This is to help brown my veggies. I'm gonna just go with what I had left over in the fridge, so here's some diced carrots, zucchini, and some green onion. Feel free to use what you want in your recipe. Let the veggies begin to soften and get a pot of water boiling. Toss in your rigatoni and stir. Let them boil near completion. We'll add them later. When the veggies have softened nicely, add in a couple cloves of minced garlic. Let that get brown and fragrant. Now it's time to reintroduce our sausage to the party. Get everything combined before adding the star of our show, gochujang. This Korean spicy chili paste adds a fun kick to this dish. Stir it in thoroughly to combine. Now's where we toss in our rigatoni. Feel free to use the pasta water to help loosen up the sauce's consistency. With everything properly combined, and hopefully in a larger pan than mine, turn off your heat and add 1/3 cup of heavy cream. Stir to complete, and don't forget to top with some Parmesan cheese. This spicy dish makes about 6 servings in total at just under 300 calories. A nice 20 grams of protein that can easily be improved upon with a protein-based pasta. Hope you try it for yourself and enjoy!